Hello students, in the previous exercise we have done how to renumber a series of parcel. If you have finished that exercise, then you can continue with the same drawing. Otherwise you can open 508 renumber parcel finished drawing, which I will put in the description link, and you can download for this exercise. In this exercise we will learn how to change area labels of multiple parcels in Civil 3D, and we will also learn how to rename them with different methods. So when you have opened your drawing, we have many parcels here. Just zoom in here and select 100 property 100, and then on the parcel contextual tab here upper on the modify panel, select multiple parcel properties. Okay, at the specify start point or prompt, pick a point on the screen inside of the property 100 close to the middle at least. Okay, like this, and then at the end point or prompt, pick a point on the screen inside property 107 here close to the middle of the parcel, then end by clicking inside property 108 close to the middle also here, and same technique like this. This line should cross sequentially only parcel 100 to 108. Then press enter to complete the parcel selection, and then press again to open the edit parcel properties dialog box. In the area selection label styles portion here of the edit parcel property dialog box, use the drop down menu to select the parcel area label style. Here we have 4 area label style, and we can also create our new area label style if we have any criteria from the designs. So here select parcel number as an area label style, and then click the apply to all parcel button here to the right of the parcel number settings under area selection label. Once you will click here, now click yes in the dialog displaying the question applying the area selection label styles to the 9 selected parcel, yes, and then click OK to exit the edit parcel properties dialog box. The 9 parcel now, if you note, have parcel area labels only. Note that you could also use this interface to add a second area label to certain parcel by clicking the plus sign in the area labels style section of the edit parcel properties dialog box, which we already have been worked. So save your drawing on this step and stay open for the next steps. Now we will learn how to use prospector to change a group of parcel area labels at the same time. So it is the second method which we can use to change the area labels for the multiple parcels. In the prospector, if you here just press escape, and in the prospector, if you expand your sites, then subdivision lots like this, and here you will see parcels. Just click on parcel and select it. Then in the expanded listing, hold down the control key. Here you will see a complete list of the parcel, and just hold down the control key and select all of the lots from 109 to 140. Sorry, like this. You can also use shift and key button to select all of them at once. Then release control and shift key and your parcel should remain selected like this. Now scroll to the area label styles column. Area label style we will find, yes, here we have, and right click the column header and select edit. Okay, in the select label style dialog box, select parcel name from the drop down menu in the label style selection dialog box. Before we done as a parcel number, now we need to show parcel name, so we can select parcel name like this and then click OK to dismiss the dialog. The drawing will process for the moment. Once the process is finished, minimize prospector and inspect your parcels. Here all the selected parcels from 109 to 114 now have the parcel name area label style. So this is how you can change your parcel area number or parcel names using your parcel area labels. Actually this is the parcel area labels, but you can use them as a parcel number or as a parcel area or as a anything which you want to add. You can create your own parcel area labels with your design criteria. Hope you like this video. Please stay tuned for the next.